Hey there, how's everybody doing this evening? It is a beautiful evening here. I'm Sherri-Lee and I am your Facebook marketing and ads mentor here with you with a little tip. One thing I hear people saying all the time is that nobody comments on their posts. Nobody sees them, nobody comments on them. What's the point? This is on their Facebook pages. And I've got a really quick tip for you of a technique that we've used in my company for myself, for my clients, and I've taught to my students for most of this year now. It's really worked really well. And it's part of a technique that we used for a client recently who has a page of just under 1,100 people. And we used this technique to help get his page posts reaching over 12,000 people without a huge budget. That's huge. His page has got 1,100 people. We use this technique and some other things, and yes, a little bit of ads, but not a lot of ads. And we reach over 12,000 people with his posts. Phenomenal response. And so I'm going to teach this to you tonight. Super, super simple. If you want to get more people commenting on your posts, the number one thing that you need to do to make that happen is ask questions. Simple, right? It is simple, and it's not simple. The biggest mistake people make is they keep their Facebook page to be all about them. I want you to go out and ask questions on your Facebook page that your audience wants to answer. Make them simple. Nice and yes and no questions are really good. Multiple choice questions are really good. Make them super, super simple to answer. Don't ask somebody to tell you about their favorite childhood memory. That's not something people are going to do as a first engagement with you. So build up to that. Start with very light, fun, engaging questions so that people on Facebook can start knowing who you are, can start commenting on your posts, start getting familiar with your page so that they start looking for your posts because they're having fun with you. So, favorite way to cool off on a hot day. What's your favorite way to cool off on a hot day? How long have you been a parent? Are you a parent? Do you prefer coffee or tea? These questions have nothing to do with you and your business, and that is exactly the point. If you want to use your Facebook page to attract your ideal clients, the ones who want to pay you, you need to stand out and you need to show them that you are interested in doing more than trying to sell to them. Marketing is about being subtle these days and building relationships. So ask questions of the people on your Facebook page the same as you would at a networking event. Now, don't expect that you're going to get 100 comments the first time you do this. Consistency is the key on Facebook. So this is something you need to do every single day to activate the people who are on your page who maybe haven't commented in a long time. This will also tell Facebook that you know what you're doing and you're doing stuff that your audience likes. As soon as people start commenting to your posts, Facebook will start putting that post in front of more people and the message will start growing. It'll be a ripple effect of people starting to hear about you, but you have to do it consistently. Not once a week, every day. So that's my challenge for you tonight. That's my little lesson. Stay tuned. Make sure you mark at the end of this video. There'll be a spot where you can click and say, let me know when Sherri-Lee goes live again. Please make sure you mark that because I'm going to have a whole bunch of these little tips over the next little while for you about how to use your Facebook page to attract your ideal client. Now, if you're wondering what questions I'm supposed to ask and I'm trying to think of questions, I've got 25 questions to ask on your Facebook page to explode your engagement. So if you want that, please just write the number 25 in the comments and I will make sure you get that completely free gift for you. And if you want to know how I might be able to help you with your business, quicker than these little tidbits I'm going to give you are going to go. If you'd like to get on a conversation and talk about my services or just see if I can help you with your business marketing, please just comment hell yeah in the comments and I will be sure to get in touch with you. Okay, so that's your tip for tonight. Ask questions, claim the 25 questions that I have for you, and start seeing your page change. See you later.